Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. So in this video, we are going to restart our series of CF profile review. This is the third video of the series. So we have reviewed some 11 profiles till now, and this is our 12th profile. Okay. So your name is Sohan Das. Your college is VESIT. Your year of graduation is 2023. Means you are in third year. Okay. This is your CF profile. Your question is that what do you suggest? Should I continue doing CP or I leave it? I am doing CP LC simultaneously. Also, which topics and rating range should I practice for CP according to my current understanding? Okay, fine. So the first question, you have to continue or you have to leave. Maybe you are doing development. Okay. So you are pupil. Okay, it's great. And you have given a lot of contest, and it's about I think 1 year that you are doing CP. You have practiced a lot of questions. It's also great that you have practiced across 504 problems. Okay, so it's okay, it's great, and you are pupil now. Let's see your contest history. So you have given 43 contest. Okay, you are solving some 2 3 questions in every contest. Okay, means your rank is approx 5,000. It is approx 5,000 in the last some contest. So I think that you are doing well. The thing is that you have to start practicing more problems of rating 1400 to 1500. Okay, that is the rating you want, I think. And yeah, uh, you can and start means जो तुम contest दे रहे हो. Okay, keep giving contest regularly. Okay, be consistent and start practicing problems of 1400 to 1500 rating. Fine. Okay, so next profile is Chinmay Ranjan Khadgare. Okay, so sorry if I am not pronouncing it. Okay, so this is your name. I have just searched your name. Sorry. Yeah, so your college is National Institute of Science and Technology, Behrampur. You are in third year, and your profile is this one. How should I practice so that I can crack fun? Okay, for fun you have to just practice some DSA problems. You can also use lead code, and you can use CF for practice problems for your experience on coding rounds. For that you can use lead code. Your profile doesn't contain anything. You have not given much contest. You have not practiced a lot of questions. So first of all, give at least 25 contests. Practice at least 200 300 questions. Only after then I will be able to tell you something. The thing is, start practicing. Okay. For now, I can't tell you because there is nothing in your profile. Okay. Your name is Kumar Shivam. Your college is National Institute of Engineering. You are in okay. You are in second year. Your file is Shivam Jha. How much time should I devote to become a specialist into Foreman? What data should I solve? For especially, you should solve questions of till 15 to 1600. Okay, but because your rating is as newbie, so you have to first of all start practicing questions of 1000 to 1100. And the thing is that start giving contests regularly. Okay, so first of all start giving contests regularly. Start practicing questions of difficulty like 1000 to 1100, and it's okay for you. The thing is, be consistent, be regular in contest. Okay, your name is Abhishek. Your college is Anand International College of Engineering. You are in third year. You don't have any question. Let's just review your profile. Okay, so nice DP. Okay, so you have also given a lot of contests. I think there are more than 30 contests, but you have not practiced questions. Yeah, that's the point. Because of that, you are just newbie right now. So the first thing is start practicing problem. Another thing is that yeah, you are consistent, you are giving contests consistently, but that's not enough. You have to also practice problems simultaneously. So start practice problems of ratings, I think of 1000 rating. Okay, start practicing problems of that rating, then you will definitely increase. Okay, you will improve. Next profile. So next profile is of Snehil Misra. You are from Minister College of Engineering Technology. You are in third year. Okay. How to solve D and E of division 2? If you are having difficulty in only D and E of division 2, then just start giving virtual contest, and in each virtual contest start giving uh, start solving D and E. So you are already a specialist. I don't think that one who is a specialist needs any guidance, because अगर तुम स्पेशलिस्ट तक पहुंच गए हो तो आगे के तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें कैसे करना है, फाइन. तो अगर तुम अभी स्पेशलिस्ट पहुंच चुके हो, तुमने वो पहला वाला स्टेज पार कर लिया, यू हैव क्रॉस दैट स्टेज, नाउ यू नो हाउ टू इम्प्रूव एंड हाउ टू स्टेप, फाइन. अब तुम्हें पता है तुम स्पेशलिस्ट से जैसे आओ वैसे तुम्हें आगे भी जाना है. तुम्हें पता है तुम स्पेशलिस्ट तक प्रैक्टिस करके आओ, प्रॉब्लम्स को प्रैक्टिस करके रेगुलर कॉन्टेस्ट देके आए हो, तो आगे भी तुम्हें वैसे ही जाने वाले हो. तो वही रेगुलर कॉन्टेस्ट देते रहो, प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, फाइन. Next is Rayan Ronat, Chandigarh University. You are in third year. Okay. Uh, been stuck in newbie so for so long. How should I improve? Okay. Let's check your profile. So you are a newbie. Okay. 1000 rating. You are giving contest regularly. It's great. You are also practicing regularly from the last month. It's also great. What's the reason for your rating? Okay. Yeah, so you are, I think that you are practicing much. So I think that from now you will improve because you are practicing, you are participating in contests regularly. Okay, start giving virtual contests, you will improve. You will improve. Okay, just start practicing. Be consistent for 1 or 2 more months. Then you will see the change. You will see the improvement. Okay. Okay, your name is Amritpal Singh, UIET Chandigarh. You are in second year. Let's see your profile. How to solve constructive algorithm questions faster? Constructive algorithm is just a game of practice. If you have a lot of practice on these type of algorithm, you will able to solve it. Okay, so start practicing. The thing is that you are not giving contest regularly. I think no, you are regular, but you have just started a month ago, and then also you are just 1000. We have solved some 252 questions. It is great, it is amazing. So it's be consistent in giving contest regularly, okay, and just start solving problems. You will improve, you will definitely improve, fine. So okay, so this is our last profile for today, which is of Richard Timothy, Karun University. Okay, you are in your second year. Since our offline class started, it is from 8:30 to 5 p.m. including lunch break. How to manage time with it and get it expert in 1 year, also complete DSA. Okay, so this is a very common question for all the students who are attending offline classes. The thing is that, yeah, I know that after 5 p.m. Maybe till 6 p.m. you reach your home or your hostel or your PG. After 6 p.m. you need some break of 1 to 2 hours. For example, after 2 hours you have taken the break. Okay, so I think that for college studies, you just need 1 to 2 hours per day for college studying. Fine, तो तुमने कॉलेज के लिए 1 से 2 घंटे निकाल लिए. 5 बजे से तुमने 7 बजे तक आराम किया कॉलेज से आने के बाद में. 7 के बाद में आफ्टर 7, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ देर इज अ कॉन्टेस्ट फ्रॉम 8 p.m. देन यू आर जस्ट गिविंग कॉन्टेस्ट. सो कॉन्टेस्ट भी आप प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहे हो. तुमने कॉन्टेस्ट दिया. आफ्टर दैट कॉन्टेस्ट मीन्स आफ्टर 10 or 11 p.m. you स्टार्ट लर्निंग योर कॉलेज वर्क, डूइंग योर कॉलेज वर्क. इस कॉलेज की पढ़ाई करना शुरू कर दो, एकेडमिक्स कर लो 11 के बाद. फिर जानते हैं 12 बजे 1 बजे फिर तुम्हें सोना है, फाइन. और जिस दिन कॉन्टेस्ट ना हो, जो 8 से 11 वाला टाइम था जिसमें तुम कॉन्टेस्ट दे रहे थे, ऑन डे व्हेन देयर इज नो कॉन्टेस्ट, जस्ट स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग. इस तरीके से तुम कॉन्टेस्ट भी दे लोगे कॉलेज के साथ में, और तुम जिस दिन कॉन्टेस्ट नहीं तुम प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. 8 से 11 का टाइम कोडिंग के लिए निकाल लो ऐसे सिनेरियो में, बिकॉज लगभग यही टाइम सभी कॉलेज का होता है, तो सभी के लिए चीज है. अब चलो तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल देख लेते हैं. Okay, nice DP. You are not giving contests regularly because maybe because of your tough schedule of your college, but you are practicing. It is great that you are practicing, fine. Yeah, so please continue practicing, be consistent and be regular in contest giving. The thing is, be regular in contest giving. If it is regular, you will definitely improve. Okay, yeah. So I think that it's okay for today, for today's video. If you also want to review your profile, you can fill the form given in description. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.